at the Cacao Falls here in British Columbia yata to. At the view of the Cacao Falls. At the view of the mountain view around the Cacao Falls. Grabe, super lots of people here. Wow, very nice. Kung mga anak ko.
Black ops ito. Ay, kahadlok.
Grabe view mo sis.
Back to the parking lot.
Another vlogger oh. Anak ko.
I'm heading to Jasper, but I think there are...
Going back na tanong sis kay pinarabayan tayo sa Resoroy, ha? Sa video. Kita tag for the first time in the Cacao Falls. Grabe ang ganda ng kapaligiran dito. Yung mga kabundukan. Kita niyo ba? Sa Bulay.
Bago na nag-solo ka.
Yung pizza ta. Bitulik. Ano sa kaliligay?
Ice na tanan tubig na diya tanan glasses.
Bitulik.
Mom,
Oh. Ito na magsunog, no? Paka-recover, oh.
Sila po at ito balik-balik ko sila. Pasamari sila just for balik-balik na sila sa ano.
Sabi to. Pamay na narok lagi.
Yeah, puro ano mo sila.
Oh, papat mga kamamsis, oh. Unsa ni siya pa, di? Oh. Dagko man mamsis. Unsa ka nga klase nga hala kanang elf? Elf siguro nito. Tapos unahan mga mamsis, oh. Elf yata to. Kan? Dako pa na? Kadako na lang. Murang po sila mga baka pa no? Oh, hello, I'm here in Medicine Lake. Jasper, please. Jasper pa ba? Jasper, please. Jasper, Alberta, mga kamamsis. Yan. Have a rock formation. Have a rock, kamamsis. Mountain rock. Over there. And there is have a forest nga namatay na. Tungod sa sunog last 2 years ago. Wow, look at the view. Ang apo. Hi, apo. Hi. How are you going? Malig na naman tayo, mga kamamsis.
Excuse me, I'm gonna be...
It's okay. Go ahead. Sus, Ginoo ko. Naraan, hindi na makita. Kinapit makita sa kakuan. Ay, kanindot sa bikuan ang mga bulak ko sis. Oh, di ba?
Gusto.
Big mga bulak diri oh. Wild flowers na mo siguro na.
Yeah.
Kaya na, mas wild.
It's wildflowers because if the
Oh,
flowers
diba,
are
no?
in wild,
Around
then they're
siya,
called
mga kadaghan.
wildflowers. If the flowers are in the wild, they're called
Mas sino pa nasa-
wildflowers because
mas sino pa
they're in
sa
the
dili?
wild.
Yeah.
Magkuhan ko naman sis, madakos balay. Magtanong ko wild flowers. Grabe kada mo. Oo, ka na doon puti. Ah! Grabe, nas kadalanan. Ang ganda ng kalikasan. Pagmasdan.
Deer.
I have purple
At the
ones.
beautiful flowers.
Momsy, I have
The missing
purple
mong
ones.
deer ba?
Asa man? Under.
Okay na sa deer kanina.
Wala akong kita. Asang
Deer na deer doon.
look at
I
that.
have purple ones. It has something.
Ito yung number 1 ba para maklaro ba? Na, number 1 pala. Sas! I forgot. Oh, grabe. Naglinya, ma'am sis. Bahalag abot ni 3 minutes. Bas.
Pero si maligo.
Hoy! Tawa, magnog. Ano tama?
Isaw na dito.
Ako yung tapisaw na ito. Relaxe. Ano ba kay? Ako yung binuo ko. Oh, basa na kakarong palakin.
See? Just the feet.
The sun or they get pulled down into the water. However, they do have to go and get a breath. They can hold their breath for about 5 to 6 minutes. Or if they're sleeping, they can hold their breath up to 5 hours. So they will slow down their heart rate, which decreases how much oxygen they are using or not using, which means that they can hold their breath for much, much, much longer. Yeah. My friend Michelle here is feeding them vegetables. When they get old enough, they will be eating mostly vegetables. They do sometimes eat invertebrates out in the wild. However, they don't eat that many invertebrates. They usually are. So when a female sea turtle goes and lays their eggs, when they actually attach, if they see things moving to dive themselves back into the water. However, if there's a street light that looks like the moon, they may mix the water entirely and not make the shape. So making sure that their beaches are nice and dark so that they can follow the moonlight as they were intended to be.